bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The engine on the bus goes room, 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 room. The engine on the bus goes room, 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 all through the town.
Mala stacked her blocks up high. She smiled big and reached the sky. But uh-oh, they tumbled down. Mila's face turned to a frown. Matteo said, try once more. Milo clapped, that's what friends are for. Nico cheered, you'll get it right. Mila grinned and stood upright. Keep trying, never give up. Step by step, you're moving up. Practice makes you strong and bright. Keep on shining, full of light. Matteo rode his brand new bike. Wobbled left, wobbled right. Oops, he fell but didn't cry. Nico said, give it one more try. Milo helped him off the ground. You can do it, go one more round. Matteo smiled and rode again. This time pedaled till the end. Keep trying, never give up. Step by step, you're moving up. Practice makes you strong and bright. Keep on shining, full of light. Nico tried to tie his shoe, loop and pull. Oh no, not true! It came undone, he stomped his feet, but Mila said, just take a seat. Matteo showed him step by step. Milo said, okay, I'll try my best. One more time, he got it right. Now his laces were tied up tight. And keep trying, never give up. Step by step, you're moving up. Little by little, strong and bright. You can do it, shine your light. Mila, Matteo, Milo too. Nico tried and made it through. Never stop and don't feel blue. You can do it, so can you.
Colorful eggs, so lively and bright, dancing together in the morning light. Rolling and bouncing, they're ready to play. 6 happy eggs to brighten your day. Red egg, jumping on the floor, knocking on the door. Can we play some more? Blue egg, swimming in the sea. cheerful, it's ready for some fun. Pink egg, spinning like a top. Round and round it twirls and never wants to stop. Pink egg, spinning like a top. Round and round it twirls and never wants to stop.
Jump up high, reach for the sky, spin around, don't be shy. Let's all dance side to side, feel the rhythm, let it guide. A zigzag zig, a zigzag zig. Gooly 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 zigzag zig. A zigzag zig, a zigzag zig. Gooly 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 zigzag zig. Oh, clap your hands and